If you are ready to give up, just listen to me. For a moment, uh, if you have been following my videos, you know that I started coding, I started this and that. One of these project, one of that project. But as you can see, there are some lines of code showing up here, right? Okay. Now you would be wondering, what is this? This line, there are lines, and what is this? Like, does this mean anything to you? No, of course it does not mean anything to you, but if you have a little bit fear of knowledge or just a general idea of what chunking is from RAG, then you would get it. Actually, I was ready to not start this project. It's just a simple RAG project, and it coding seems difficult for sometimes. Okay, if you are, I don't know, maybe say consistent, not aware, you don't have any friends who are in the circle with that industry, it may seem difficult. And here I am trying to develop this all in all just by tonight. Okay, I started this, I don't know, 2 days ago. I have been planning to finishing up because it's Saturday and I would like to finish up before Sunday because I need to meet one person who is holding a tech startup. Me and my senior are going to visit him and his company. I'm not going there for interview, but just to get a general idea that okay, if I can provide him any value. So I don't know. I may work with him for him. Uh, about giving up, what I was really like to share about it is giving up easy unless you don't try. And I'm just sitting here, okay, for continuous 2 hours. I'm using, yes, I am using some YouTube tutorials. I may be getting some hang of it. I may not learn to code it, hard code it by myself, but I know what RAG is and what is chunking. I am the text which you can see here is actually a chunking of the text from a PDF. Okay, the agency which we run for SEO, we have a brochure for it. Okay, so I put that brochure in here, and you can see that there is metadata. Okay, it extracted the words. This is just metadata. Okay, I have not converted into vector FAISS yet. Okay, there is no numerical representation yet, which is, what it's called. It's called embedding. I have not embedded this yet, but as you can see, this is a metadata which I got from the 10 pages of our brochure. See, SEO brochure, here it is written. There are keywords, page content, competitors get the calls. You can get a general idea of what a SEO brochure looks like. So here it is. I just put the PDF rather than putting a random file, random text, or random PDF. I just put my own agency's PDF here to just get the proof. Okay, I may build it for my own agency. I may build it as a project to get some, I don't know, to have a good portfolio. I put it this project in my resume, but I actually didn't build it. So I decided, by who am I fooling? I should build it by myself. I may not know, I may not explain, I may not be able to explain it line by line, but I know how to build it. And in today's generation of AI in 2026, you can get a little bit of help because, as you know, the LangChain. Now you cannot use from LangChain underscore core dot import and all because it shifted to LangChain community. Okay, that's what I got. The video which I'm using from here is actually from 1 year ago, and in that 1 year, things have changed. If you need to import some PyPDF loader, new PDF loader, it's not. You cannot type LangChain from LangChain underscore core. You have to type from LangChain underscore community. You understand my point, right? So don't give up. If you are able to eat, able to sleep, or you have a place to eat and sleep, that's good. You can still work. I'm trying to end this project by today itself and build another one tomorrow. No, I won't. Yes, I am speeding things up. It's about time. I can get the core knowledge later, but I need to explain some projects by myself. What I'm using, what framework I'm using. This is built on Python, so I'm using Jupyter Notebook and VS Code. Okay, that's all for today, and I will update you when this project finishes. Okay.